Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left side of your screen, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4, and on the right side, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up because things are about to get print-tastic. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The ELEGOO Mars 4 is going for $309, while the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is a bit cheaper at $279. So if you're a penny pincher, or just saving up for that next avocado toast, ANYCUBIC has your back. But remember, with great savings comes great responsibility, or something like that. Now, let's speed things up. Literally, the ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a maximum printing speed of 70 millimeters per hour. That's like a turtle on Red Bull. But hold your filament. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo zips through at a blazing 250 millimeters per second. That's not just fast, that's I'm late for work fast. If you're the impatient type, ANYCUBIC's got you covered. Moving on to print quality, the ELEGOO Mars 4 sports a 7-inch 9K LCD screen with a resolution of 8500/4320. That's like having a mini IMAX theater for your prints. Meanwhile, ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, with its upgraded extrusion system and cooling fan, promises smoother, clearer details. Reviewers have praised the ELEGOO for its high-quality miniatures and model kits, while ANYCUBIC users have noted some issues with print quality but appreciated its compact design. It's a battle between IMAX quality and turbocharged precision. Pick your poison, folks! Now, for all you newbies out there, ease of use is crucial. ELEGOO Mars 4 has its own Voxel Dance Tango slicing software with 3 printing modes. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your 3D printing needs. On the other hand, ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo's LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling is like having a personal 3D printing butler. It even compensates Z-axis offset intelligently. It's basically the Jeeves of 3D printers. Reviewers for the ELEGOO have mentioned a learning curve but praised the software, while ANYCUBIC users loved the easy assembly and user-friendly setup. Last but not least, let's talk customer service. ELEGOO offers a 1-year warranty for the whole printer, excluding some parts. They promise to reply within 24 hours. Sounds like a solid deal, right? But wait, ANYCUBIC steps in with a 1-year after service, 3 months for the printhead, and 6 months for the heated bed. And they offer lifetime technical support. It's like having a warranty on your warranty. Reviewers for ELEGOO appreciated the quick responses, while ANYCUBIC users highlighted the helpful customer service. Summarizing the reviews, ELEGOO Mars 4 users rave about its high print quality and versatility, despite some frustrations with the instruction manual. On the other hand, ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo users appreciate the fast printing speeds and user-friendly setup, although some have noted occasional issues with print quality and noise. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 and the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo go head-to-head in the ultimate 3D printer showdown. Whether you're after high resolution or supersonic speed, both these printers have something to offer. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Let us know in the comments which printer you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.